Father, in this sacred moment, as the water touches the soil, we turn our hearts to the infinite intelligence that dwells in the heart of every seed and at the very center of our own souls. We recognize that God is the only presence and the only power, the supreme source of all vitality, now flowing through these hands and this vessel. As it falls upon the earth, this water symbolizes the presence of Jesus, the living water, who nourishes the spirit so that we may never thirst for peace, love, or supply. Just as this physical water awakens life in the roots, the living water of Christ now awakens within your subconscious mind the consciousness of wholeness, abundance, and perfect health. We declare that these plants receiving this care now respond to the vibration of love and gratitude. By the law of mind, we affirm that the order, symmetry, and beauty of God govern every leaf, every stem, and every bud. As taught by ancient wisdom, these plants respond to being blessed. They bloom with superior vigor and radiance, becoming living channels of harmony and oxygen for this home. And while you water your garden, the divine presence is watering your own life. We now plant in your deep mind the seed of absolute conviction. You are not a passive observer of the universe, but a participant in its unfolding opulence. Your desire for a blessed life is the very voice of God seeking to express itself as happiness, beauty, and success. We now cleanse your mind of any thought of lack, fear, or limitation. Affirm with calm conviction, I take consciousness that all my needs are fully satisfied now. The living water flows through your business, through your health, and through your relationships, washing away all resentment and opening the floodgates of divine surplus in your life. Feel now the joy of the answered prayer. See yourself prospering in all your ways, guided by the infinite wisdom that never fails. The same energy that makes the flower break through the dark earth causes you to break through every barrier of difficulty. You walk in safety, wrapped in the circle of divine love, and your future is the mirror of the good you plant today. The winter of limitation is over. Your spiritual spring has arrived. Your home is a temple of peace, and your garden is a testament to the glory of God in action. And so it is. It is done. Amen. Save this video, listen to it daily, and watch your plants and life thrive. See you tomorrow.